estamos grabando. Ok, wire harness, no bare wire, secure. Transmission this stick is secure, no leaking. Oil this stick is secure. You want me to check? No? Okay. Governor and compressor, no visual damage, secure. Hose, it's no crack or leaking, are secure. Coolant, good level, cap secure, no leaking. Belt driven, no more than 3/4 inch blade. Fan blade is not broken or missing part secure. Water pump is not dripping, puddle or leaking, secure. Power steering column, power steering bats, and power steering fluid. It's no missing part or broken. It's on good level, cap secure, and no leaking. Pivot arm, drag link, tire ring, secure with a 2/4 pin. Okay? Frame, no crack, no dent, no welds, secure. Spring, shackle with the U-bolt center, no missing part or broken, is secure. Shock, it's not leaking, secure. Air distribution valve, air line, and air chamber, it's not leaking or broken, secure. Per mechanic, push roll and slack adjuster, no more than 1 inch plate, and brake shoe, no less than 1/4 inch plate. 1/4, okay, in place. Tire, evenly worn, 432 can be
minimum.
no recap. Minimum 432 can be no recap. Air pressure 105 psi. Sidewall, no abrasion, budget, cut, cord, showing. Ring and brake drum, no crack, no dent, no weld, secure. Lock knob, all lock knob is no missing, no shiny mirror or rush indicating loose. Center cap or center hub is secure, no leaking. Valve stem is cap, center, and secure. Mud flap is secure. In the other side, air filter on green, secure. Alternator, no visual damage, is secure. Bell is no crack or broken. 3/4 inch plate, secure. Washer fluid, good level, cap secure, and no leaking. Thank you.